The Veterans Memorial Auditorium sits on the Civic Center complex and is complementary to the Civic Center building, which is one of Frank Lloyd Wright's legacy designs.
The actual Civic Center building was hands-on design by Frank Lloyd Wright. This building was built after the Civic Center. It carries on the same theme. It was part of the original master plan for the campus.
So in trying to come in and seismically retrofit a building that was built to standards that were different than what they are today, but still maintain the aesthetics and the character of the building is really challenging.
When you go in and you don't just remove everything that gets in your way, that's a huge challenge on the design side, but also on the construction side for the team that's actually implementing the design.
The scope involved targeting specific parts of the structure and specific vulnerabilities that were left behind after another seismic retrofit was performed in the late 80s.
One of the main elements of our seismic strengthening project is a new horizontal roof truss that we installed above the existing roof system. And the stage, when you come into the building, is just, surrounded by these really tall, articulated masonry walls.
Structurally, it is unique. It's this really large diameter dome, and the dome structure is marginally attached to the stage structure. So these two structures are very different in the way they respond to earthquakes, and yet they are immediately adjacent to each other and partially attached.
One of the challenges with bracing an existing roof system that also serves as a feeder is you have a lot of equipment access platforms that are below, that you can't impact, that you can't remove, and you have to work around. And so what we did is we opened up the roof and we worked above it.
You can go just about anywhere in the world and talk about Frank Lloyd Wright, and just about everybody's going to know who you're talking about. Right? He's probably the most famous architect there ever was. And so to be able to, in whatever role you had in this project, to have your hands on these buildings and trying to make sure that they're going to be here in the future is incredibly rewarding.
This project was a challenge not only from the technical challenges, but the schedule as well. It really took a team effort, and I think working with Plant, it was wonderful to see the team in action in the field, but also to collaborate with them.
The working relationship that we have in place between the Plant team, county staff, WJE, our designer, as well as the construction manager, where they're really working together to solve problems. That's what I'm most proud of here. I think that's why I would consider this project a huge success.
I can't stress this enough. We're on time, we're on schedule, we beat the rains, and I'm really happy about that.